What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the Polkadot token using only one token and earn up to 18% APY just for staking your Polkadot. Polkadot just launched staking pools allowing you to stake with only one Polkadot token. You no longer need a minimum of 50, 100 or 150 Polkadot tokens. Simply using one token you can begin earning rewards. So let me show you how to begin staking using Polkadot pools. Let's get started. So you want to visit polkadot.network/staking and click on the start staking button, and this would bring you to the staking dashboard. And once you are in here, you want to click on the pools tab, and then finally within here click on the join button. Now keep in mind, in order to do this you will need the official Polkadot wallet, and you can download that at polkadot.js.org and click on this extension link, and this would download the Polkadot wallet onto your browser. So as you can see, you have up to 64 active pools to choose from and only a minimum of one dot required to stake. So the two main things you want to look for looking for a reliable staking pool is make sure they are greenlit and they are an active nominator, meaning when they're shown as green they are actively receiving rewards, and that is what you want. And number two, click on this icon here and you can view the specific pool nominations. So each pool sort of acts as a bundle, so within that one pool you get various validators underneath that pool, so you can actually view who is participating within that one specific pool. You click on view pool nominations and you can see all these specific validators within that specific pool. So if you scroll lower, here's one specific pool, the Talisman pool. They have over 345,000 self-nominated and they have over 500 pool members, so a lot of people are actively staking within this specific pool. And if you click on this icon here, you can view the specific pool nominations, and on here they have some of the various popular validators on the Polkadot network, including staking facilities, Jaco, P2P, another P2P, staking for all. So these are all very reputable validators. I'm liking this specific pool myself. Let's take a look at another one also. And down here we have another one, Polkadot Brazil pool, and let's go ahead and look at their view pool nominations. And it looks like some of the various popular validators like I mentioned in the other pool, P2P, Jaco, another P2P. So essentially the best validators you can pick on the network all aggregated into a single pool for you. So I'm actually going to go ahead and nominate and stake with the Talisman pool number one. You would simply click on join, and of course don't forget to connect your wallet before you do any of this. Click on join, and amount to bond, meaning stake, you would need a minimum of one. But as you can see, I have a pretty low balance in my current Polkadot JS wallet. So one thing to keep in mind here, with this Polkadot JS wallet, you always need a balance of one free Polkadot in that wallet always. So in order to stake, you in reality need two Polkadot tokens in order for this to work, because you will always need to leave one free Polkadot balance in that wallet. So just keep that in mind whenever you purchase your Polkadot from Coinbase or Kraken or KuCoin. You definitely want to send at least two Polkadot tokens into your wallet in order for this to work. And once you're ready, you would hit submit, and that is it. Confirm the transaction and you will begin staking immediately. And once you've begun staking, your active pools will show up here, and your rewards are paid out twice a week, and you will have to manually claim your rewards. There will be a claim button available. You hit claim and you can claim your Polkadot tokens, and with those tokens you're free to renominate the same pool, or you can choose a different pool of your liking, such as that Polkadot Brazil pool. So there's lots of cool things you can do within this new Polkadot staking dashboard. Polkadot has built an amazingly easy and simple to use interface for all your staking needs. If you're a long-term holder of Polkadot like I am, you do know that this feature was much needed, and this just makes it so much easier for newcomers to begin staking their coins and begin earning rewards. And again, when you're ready to unstake, when your active pool shows up here, there will be a leave or unstake button. You click on that and it would take up to 2 to 4 weeks to unstake your tokens, and they're given back to you. And like I mentioned, the current APR rate for staking on Polkadot Polkadot is 18%, but some of these pools take a different cut. Some take 1%, some take 2%. So definitely pay attention to the commission fees within these pools. So there you have it, a straightforward way on how to begin staking Polkadot with simply one token. I highly recommend this to anyone who's new to the Polkadot ecosystem and who is looking for self-custody of their own tokens. And you can also stake with a Ledger hardware wallet, which is another recommendation of mine. This is the safest way to safeguard your crypto. So Polkadot does have a ton of projects in the work, and keep up to date with everything Polkadot related on their official Twitter page at Polkadot. And let me know what you think about this new staking dashboard. Are you a fan? Let me know in the comments section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.